that is? You can lay down on this and float in the swimming pool.
Look,
It's like a floaty that you lay down on. So you put your head here and you just lay down on it and you float. And wouldn't that be fun? Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Peter Rabbit.
Use your words.
Got you a mouse? What? What? Oh.
Bubbles, yeah. What else is in there? What's that?
That looks like a jump rope with princesses on it. What is that?
A baby bottle.
A baby bottle.
Dump it upside down.
It's a baby bottle for my baby. Mommy,
Colors? Are those colors?
yeah?
With Peter Rabbit on them too.
No.
Jaden, what else is in your basket?
Wow, cards.
Jaden, come here. Look what's in here.
Cards to play games with. Go look at your basket.
Oh, look, gummies. Gummies.
I guess I got him interested in Yeah, gummies. Oh.
More cards.
That looks like paper to write on with your pen. It's chalk, so you can color with it.
Dad, chocolate.
Yeah.
Whoa. Daddy. Look, there else is in my basket.
Show mommy. Show mommy some too. Show mommy. Show
Jaden,
mommy.
come here and look in your basket.
Dada.
Oh my gosh, look at all that candy. Here, bring Jaden over here so he could go through his basket. True boy, he's more interested in eating.
Wait,
Come here. What's in your basket?
what's in here? What's this? Here.
Wow.
Wow. What else did he get? Hey.
Well, we gotta eat and go to church, so we're gonna put your stuff over there. While Jaden looks, so you can come back to the table, please.
Wait, get her up there with her basket so I can take a picture.
Up here.
Uh-huh.
Hey, you have that.
Hey.
Come here.